Yesterday, a judge ordered the 28-year-old from Turkey be released, and today he spoke with reporters as he left. Joe McCoy joins us with what he said and the latest on his case. Joe?
Julie, the first thing Gunaydin said was he wanted to go home and see his dog. He said he is grateful for the support he has received, but is also troubled by what he says was a clear violation of his constitutional right to due process. For the first time in 8 weeks, Doken Gunaydin saw the sun as a free man.
It took 56 days to undo something that should not happen in the first place.
In late March, the 28-year-old U of M graduate student from Turkey was arrested and detained by ICE. The Department of Homeland Security said his detention stemmed from a 2023 misdemeanor drunk driving conviction. However, an immigration judge later terminated the deportation case, saying Gunaydin's DWI conviction wasn't grounds for his detainment. DHS appealed and Gunaydin stayed locked up in the Sherburne County Jail.
I am disappointed in the integrity of the system and individuals that allowed this to happen.
On Wednesday, a federal judge ordered Gunaydin's release, saying his detention violates his procedural due process rights under the Fifth Amendment.
Even though he's out of custody, his removal proceedings aren't over. So his quote unquote old deportation concept, the deportation case is still there.
Immigration attorney Nadia Roifi does not represent Gunaydin, but she says his case and others against international students are deeply troubling, and many times the facts do not support the arrest. If you're looking at this from the U.S. government's perspective, what sort of legal ground are they trying to stand on with some of these cases?
I think that's the mystery, Joseph. In the past, when we would see something from the government, some sort of an accusation, it would make a lot of sense. And if we didn't, we could pick up the phone and ask, why is this happening? And now, under the current administration, we're all left in the dark.
Today, a federal judge in California blocked the Trump administration from being able to arrest or detain students based on their legal status until their case is resolved. Previously, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio said the students being targeted were those involved in activities that, quote, run counter to U.S. national interest. Julie.
Yeah, and we've heard a lot of talk about people that are committing crimes being deported. I just don't know if anyone was thinking of it in that sense as far as Gunaydin was concerned. And that was the one thing on his record as far as we know?
Yep, the only thing on his record, it was a misdemeanor. He never served any time. He was just served probation. And again, that was from almost a year and a half ago was when that happened. And then it came back up here.
All right.
So.
Thank you, Joe.